If you've gotten gum on your clothes, the good news is that there are lots of ways to get it out. One easy method is to cover the gum with liquid laundry detergent. Work the detergent into the gum with your fingers, a rag, or a soft, bristled brush. This will soften and break down the gum. Use a blunt knife to scrape it away. Put your garment in the washing machine and launder it as you usually would. For more delicate fabrics, try rubbing alcohol instead of detergent. You can also soften gum with steam or boiling water. Or freeze the garment so the gum becomes hard and brittle. This will make it easier to scrape off with a blunt knife.